fireplace in our house. And let me shock you, it's real wood. Gorgeous, right? Love it. Haven't seen one of these in a long time. It reminds me of England. I actually miss London because of this. Isn't that crazy? Guys, I don't really think I want to show you my head, so I'm gonna cut off my head. But it's Friendsgiving weekend. Woo! Okay, so we're out in my girl's place in Corona. It's kind of like outskirts of LA, I think. I'm not really sure. But we're in my girl's house for the weekend for Friendsgiving. So we went out and we just got home. So right now it is past 3. So yeah, so fun. So let me just take you downstairs. Heating is on. Her house is gorgeous. But everyone's downstairs. My luggage is still downstairs. I'll show you my luggage in a second. But my luggage is right there. And say hi, Nikki. You're in the video, you might as well. That's Nikki. I think they're trying to make some food, but I'm just too cold and too tired, so I can't be bothered. But her house is so gorgeous. This is the owner of the house. So this is where we're doing Friendsgiving. And yeah, next time you see me, it'll be the next activity for the weekend. See you soon. Good night. Good morning. Yeah, guys, so this is the next morning and we're just in the kitchen making some food for the day because it's Friendsgiving. Yay. Put all my chicken together and added a few things. I added some garlic salt, some ginger, soy, garlic powder, syrup. This actually cayenne pepper that's in here, thyme, and some Knorr. It's all here in the back. So what's gonna happen is I'm gonna leave it in here to marinate like a baby. And then I'm gonna bake the chicken. Over there, she's making us some moi moi. You probably don't even know what moi moi is, but yeah. Better lighting so you can see how fly she is. There you go. Nigerian women, we cook. We cook. The moi moi is almost there. I need to parboil some rice. Can you guys guess what I'm making before you see it in the video? Guys, I'm also in charge of the jollof rice as well. Parboiling the rice in there. Eggs for the moi moi. I'm excited for this feast, guys. I'm excited! Guys, quick grocery run. Because I need some tomato paste. Super windy in Corona this evening, but I just have to show you how gorgeous the skyline is. See? Ugh. I'm not joking, guys. Cali is just so beautiful. I can't even leave that at how beautiful it is. Guys, I forgot the rice is ready. Jollof rice is ready. Plantain being fried. That's the moi moi that we salvaged. And chicken. Honey glazed, soy glazed. You guys, this is what you call a meal and a half. Look at how big this is. Look at this. You haven't eaten all day and then you're just like excited. But I'm probably gonna finish it though. It's a meal. Parjasi.
Royalty edition.
Wow.
Get yours today. Closest Walmart near you.
You guys, I think this is like the Spanish version of Ludo. If you know what Ludo is, and this is like the Spanish version. So let us do this. Wow, guys. Wow. 6. Should I do 3 over there or 3 here, guys? What do you think? Let's do 1, 2, 3.
2, 4, 6, 8.
Yeah, Nikki's still not out, guys.
Yeah.
Hey.
Taje.
You guys are my good luck charms. 6. This hoe really thought that she could beat me, guys. The hoe. Right behind me, hoe. And I'm just gonna have to... I just wanted to show you that I'm winning. See?
She's a witch.
I'm winning, and apparently I'm a witch because I'm winning. I just have 1 left, and she's out.
Eat it.
And I'm gonna win. Oh my god! Like I said, I won, and these hoes are still here.
You are a witch.
I won. You call me what you wanna call me, y'all. I still won, and y'all. I still won. I still won. So you guys, we started the second round, and I'm the only one that has come out because
keep quiet.
These bitches made a rule that only 2 6s come out, and somehow, after complaining, I did it. I don't even know how I did it. So now I'm the only one that's out, and they're just waiting for me and hating on me. So I have 5. Okay, so new round, guys. Nikki won the second round. She's just there chilling.
Oh my god.
And I'm second place because I have 3 home and just this last baby girl. Yeah, so I came second this round. Beulah is last. She doesn't like being a sore loser. So she gets to drink a shot. Yes, there you go. Hey guys, so it's Thanksgiving weekend. It's time to pack. I'm just gonna do rough packing for you guys just so you guys can see me packing. And then I'm gonna head out. I'm heading out to Houston and I'm super excited. It's my first time in Houston and I'm doing it for Thanksgiving weekend. Excitement. And let's go. You guys, these are my boots. I'm obsessed with them. They're going to be in my haul video that's coming up next week, and I will tell you how I got them and how ridiculously cheap they were. Oh my god. Yeah, let's do this. Passport check? Okay. A little bit of traffic, but I was super early anyways, so it was completely fine. Thank you. Have a good day. So I've arrived in Houston, but somehow I couldn't find my way out, so I had to ask for help. Excuse me. Where's the gate? The exit.
But you're gonna keep straight, make a right by Victoria's Secret, and go down for baggage. You're trying to get out, right?
Yeah,
okay.
But I got you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is basically the area where I do my makeup and all that good stuff. The bathroom is, to be honest, the bathroom is very basic. Very basic, because my face wash over there. Yeah, very basic bathroom. My shopping on the floor. The bed is super comfortable though, like crazy comfy. This is where I basically shop my 30 things I learned about being a 30-year-old. All my bags. That's what I came with. So I arrived in my hotel and I quickly went to the shopping mall to get something to wear for tonight. Let's go! My new jacket that I just got from Banana. It's really, really cozy and just like crazy. That's some more stuff I got from Banana, but I'm thinking about returning some of them. But yeah, my room. It's a very cute room. Total Shop wigs. Got new wigs here in Houston. The wig I was wearing before I came. My room. My gorgeous boots that I'm in love with. The shopping I just came back home with. Yes. Yes, sir. Happy Thanksgiving!
Thanksgiving.
Guavito.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I don't even know what to pick.
Pick it all.
Pick it all. Pepe. I shall come earlier. But I went to go and get something to wear.
Where?
Just
for
Galleria
Thanksgiving.
Mall.
Oh, you went to Galleria. How did you
And
like
everything
it?
was closed.
Oh yeah. Makes sense though.
Literally, the only place. That's it. The only place that was open
Turkey.
was the only place that was open was Banana Republic.
Oh. Yeah.
I don't know what else I have. I want veggies.
One that yeah, you can have some of this. It's real nice.
So who's the best singer?
Oh my gosh. It's supposed to be karaoke.
Cornbread. Had to do a quick pan of the cornbread, you guys, because it was so good. So the next day I had to just quickly get my nails in order because as you may have noticed, I had a broken nail. So Christmas nails on check. Photo shoot time, guys. Say hey, even though they can barely see you. Hey.
Okay, now someone's calling, so I figured.
Nails did.
I just wore away. I just picked her up not long ago.
Oh, okay. I see it.
No, like I basically asked her. She's not feeling well.
Your bad demons are really your bad
It
demons.
hit me. I was like, okay, I get it now. I get why people like call them demons because I did not get it before. So that.
It worked. Yay! Yeah. the struggle is so peak. So I'm trying to do a video. And obviously that's why I'm planning to sit right there. And I've turned on all the lights in my room in the hopes that it makes a difference and it gives like a cool little ambiance. You guys, I just got to my girl's house and it is so pretty. Like, it looks like the perfect Instagram house, right? Insane. You guys, Houston, I mean, come on. So pretty. Ridiculous. She's over there in the corner. Do you want to wave?
Did you eat?
No, not yet.
Sorry, mine is so pretty.
See? So cute. Crazy how pretty it is. I can't. I feel like I want to steal her house and just make it mine. So pretty. Oh my god. Wow. So I'm back in LA and I am not loving this new Uber Lyft. This is an actual mess. Like, it's disgusting. Like, it's not even cute. Like, what? How are they just gonna remove everyone and put them in one place where it looks like a refugee camp?